Alright guys, so this is going to be my 4 months update on my unit. This is the Chloe wig by RPGShow and it is 16 inches in length, and as you can see it just goes right below my boosty areas. This video will not be a long video. I just want to come by and show you guys how well this wig has been holding up. Now the first time you saw this unit was on the 7th of July. I just looked it up. The 7th of July 2014, and I have not washed this. I probably should not be saying that while I'm scratching my head, but I have not washed this unit since, and look at how it looks. I mean, the luster of the hair, how well the ombre looks. Oh my god, let me tell you, I have been reviewing RPGShow wigs for a really long time, and I have never in life gotten a unit that I absolutely hated. I've never gotten a unit that I'm like, oh, this shares, this tangles. I don't get that with RPGShow wigs. Their hair are like either virgin or 100% human hair. Whatever it is high quality hair. So I had to just run through real quick to let you guys know that yes, this unit is still holding up, boo. Yes, honey, and you know my birthday is coming up, honey. Yes, December 3rd. Yes, Jesus. So I don't know if I'm going to do a sewing for my birthday or if I'm going to be doing a wig for my birthday. I don't know, and I'm saying that to say I have my eye on an RPGShow wig, and I don't know if I want to wear it for my birthday or not. So I don't know, but yes, I don't know, but yeah. So again, tangles, no tangles at all in this unit. Very manageable. 16 inches is extremely manageable for, especially for this weather, I'm finding. But you know me, I love my long hair like 28, 26. You know I'm that type of girl. But this 16 inch, it's not as short as I thought it would have been. It's pretty long for 16 inches. So yeah, kudos to RPGShow. And again, it's in a center part, and yes, it's straightened. I have not curled the hair. I'm sorry, I really love this unit straightened. If I do decide to curl it, I'll probably get some layers in there and then curl it up. And if that's the problem, if that's what I'm going to do, not problem, but if that's what I'm going to do, then I'll just use me on Instagram and be like, oh, let me take a selfie, right? So yeah, I guess that's just it. It's not a long video. Just want you guys know that RPGShow wigs are good quality wigs. They're high quality wigs, and this is just thrown in my wig bag. It's not even in like a silk scarf or none. It's just thrown down in my wig bag, and I just take it out, flat iron it, and I flat ironed it with my Remington flat iron. I just took it out, flat ironed it, and then I am now making this video. I'm just saying. So yeah, that's basically it on this little update. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are considering purchasing RPGShow, go ahead, boo, go ahead. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video.